Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the gross margins page located in the product data pages. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communicate for Marketplace is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The product data pages contains a page named Gross Margins. The Gross Margins page displays key performance indicators in a visual at-a-glance way using a dashboard metaphor. It is the most effective way to understand the relationship between your gross margins, revenue, cost, fees, and ship cost data points over time. These data points are a summarized view of broad amounts of sales data presented visually without the need to drill down to the details of the data. Regardless of the filters used to generate a report, the gross margin filters are independent of the report filters. The gross margins page provides a snapshot of revenue, cost, and margins for the product selected, period specified, and filters applied. Let's get started with the gross margin page presentation for product data pages to learn more about this incredible feature. All product and certain sales reports support the product data pages feature. For more information about the product data pages in general, look at our video Product Data Pages Overview found on our YouTube channel. For this presentation, we'll use a Product Explorer report, but you can use any product report and apply the lessons learned. A product is pre-selected and the data pages are activated. You should see the product data pages at the bottom of your screen below the Product Explorer report. The gross margin page is the active page which we'll be reviewing for this presentation. The gross margins page contains revenue, costs, and margins about the selected product. Let's take a tour of the gross margins page and explain each element of the dashboard. Across the bottom of the dashboard is a date range selector. Use the selector to choose a date range. The dashboard legend is located to the right of the dashboard. The legend identifies the visual elements used to distinguish groups of data within the graph. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the gross margins dashboard to view the available commands from the pop-up menu. Click on the area command transforming the graph from a line to an area graph. Click on the bar command transforming the graph from an area to a bar graph. Click on the pie command transforming the graph from a bar to a pie graph. I think you get the idea how this works. Click on the line command transforming the graph back to a line graph. The pop-up menu provides additional commands to configure the gross margins dashboard. You've seen the chart type, but you can set the value series as well. Go back to the pop-up menu series section and click on the revenue, COGS, fees, and ship cost commands. The gross margins dashboard no longer displays the 4 value series selected. You are left with the default gross margin and gross margin percent value series. Tech note: the gross margin is a currency value, whereas the gross margin percent is a percent value. The values are of different data measurement scales and not comparable. The gross margin percent is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. All other value series are expressed as currency, which is the medium of exchange for goods or services. Go back to the pop-up menu series section and click on the revenue, COGS, fees, and ship cost commands. See how easy it is to configure the gross margins page. As you can see, the gross margins page displays a variety of costs and sales data about the selected product. Some final notes about the sales numbers presented in the gross margins dashboard. Not all sales numbers for an order are associated with an item. To make matters more interesting, marketplaces like Amazon and Walmart report sales numbers differently than e-commerce platforms like BigCommerce and Shopify. Amazon reports sales numbers at the item level, so any sales, shipping, discounts, fees, etc. are always item level values. E-commerce platforms may report some sales numbers like discounts and coupons at the item level, but most are usually at the order level. For example, the shipping fee collected or cost are charged for shipping an order, not an item. An order can have multiple items, so some of the sales numbers are not represented at the item level. Bottom line, the sales numbers reported in the gross margins dashboard are item level and not order level values. Take this into account when evaluating the gross margins dashboard. This concludes our presentation of the gross margins page of the product data pages. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about marketplace reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.